In our last video, we translated the purchase request to a purchase order. Now, let's go ahead and receive the items that are on the PO. To do so, we'll go to Inbound, Logistics, Purchase Order View. Here, we'll click on Open Purchase Orders. Here's our purchase order, $12.91. To post a goods receipt, we can click Post Goods Receipt. Here we can enter a delivery notification ID. And further down, we can enter our actual quantity that was received. Once that's entered, click Save and Close. And we have successfully received against our purchase order.